old salts. Yes, old salt, and that's your majestic title, regardless of your rank on the ship, but rather if you've dedicated your life to working at sea. This is the first term in our vocabulary. In the following lessons, we are going to join a container ship in port and circumnavigate the globe together. But before we board, let's see who is who on board and how you should use this information. You may be asked, what's your rank? Or what's your position? In both cases, you can simply answer, I'm a deck cadet. Usually, the guys just want to know who you are, meaning your rank. However, there is a difference between these two questions. A rank denotes a person's level of authority, while a position denotes their specific tasks or responsibilities on board a ship. For example, the chief mate's rank is chief mate, and he holds the position of cargo officer. Or there may be 2 second officers on board, but one's position is navigation officer, while the other's position is safety officer. You can find the ranks in the crew list, and the positions can probably be indicated in the seafarer's contracts if needed. But usually, each rank already indicates that the seafarer has a specific duties or responsibilities. So, let's take the crew list and begin our exploration. Master, captain, cap. Master is the official, legal title for the person in command of a vessel, while captain is the common, informal title. In conversation on board, we usually use the term captain. For example, good morning, captain. Or, oh, cadet, please call the captain on the bridge. There's very dense traffic here. The term master can also be used in conversation, but in practice, it's not very common. We rarely address the captain as master. The term is usually used in writing, especially in official documents, including nautical charts. For example, oh, cadet, please call the captain. It's call master point now. The term cap is a shortened, informal version of captain, but it is never used by the ship's crew when directly addressing the captain. It may be used among crew members when talking about the captain, or sometimes by a pilot or agent who has a good relationship with the captain. Hey guys, Cap wants to make barbecue tomorrow. Hi Cap, nice to meet you again on board. Chief officer, chief mate, chief, cargo officer, safety officer, ship security officer. Chief officer is the second person in command of a vessel and in charge of the deck department, cargo operations, and the safety of the vessel and her crew. Usually, we address the chief officer as chief. Good morning, chief. Chief, could you print out the loading plan, please? The term chief mate or chief officer is usually used in conversation among crew members because there are 2 other persons on board whom we also address as chief. Hey, do you know where chief is? Ah, chief mate or chief engineer? Oh, chief cook. From port workers, you may hear the terms cargo officer, safety officer, or ship security officer. Please call your cargo officer. The foreman wants to talk to him. Hello, I'm the port security officer. May I speak to the ship security officer? Who is the safety officer on board? Usually, all of these refer to the chief mate. Second officer, second mate, second sec, navigation officer, party officer. The second officer's core duty is navigation, which includes updating charts, creating passage plans, overseeing navigational equipment, and performing bridge watchkeeping. Usually, we address the second officer as second or sec. Hi, sec. What's the departure time? Second, can you come to Bay 2, please? However, second mate or second officer are also used. From port authorities, you may hear the term navigation officer. Hello, I'm a PSC inspector. Please call the navigation officer. One more term related to the second officer, which you may hear from crew members with a good sense of humor, is party officer. Oh, where's the party officer? The barbecue has already started. Third officer, third mate, third, safety officer. The third officer usually manages the maintenance and inspection of all life-saving appliances and firefighting equipment. Usually, we address the third officer as third. Hi, third. When will you open the bonded store? Third, can I add some more items to crew effects? However, third mate or third officer can also be used. So when port workers or inspectors want to talk to the safety officer, they usually mean the chief officer. However, if, for example, a PSC inspector asks to call the safety officer to inspect firefighting equipment, they usually mean the third officer. I would like to test the fire hoses. Please call the safety officer. Fourth officer, junior officer. Fourth junior. The fourth officer usually assists the third officer and chief officer. In the crew list, he may appear as fourth officer or junior officer, depending on how it is stated in his employment contract. There should not be any confusion with the general term junior officer, which includes second and third officers, while the captain and chief mate are considered senior officers. Usually, we address the fourth or junior officer as fourth or junior. Hey, fourth, do you keep watch on the bridge alone or together with the chief mate? Did you see junior somewhere? I have some cleaning job for him. Deck cadet. Cadet is a trainee officer who assists other deck officers in their work. Usually, we address a deck cadet as cadet or simply call him by his name. Cadet, please check the water density. Well, John, have you already learned how to make a coffee? Bosun. Bossy, boss. The bosun is the senior-most rating and the head of the deck crew department. Usually, we address the bosun as bosun, bossy, or boss. Bossy, can you give me working gloves, please? Boss, heave up the spring line. Forward, finish with the station. Only the bosun remains for emergency anchoring. AB, able seaman, able-bodied seaman. An able seaman is a member of the deck department who may work as a watchstander, a day worker, or a combination of these roles. Usually we address an AB by name. AB Oliver, radio check. John, please check the gangway. OS, ordinary seaman. An ordinary seaman is a member of the deck department who performs routine cleaning and maintenance. Usually, we address an OS by name. OS Clark, please assist AB Steve. Hey Jason, let's go play ping pong. Deck boy. A deck boy is a beginner, often a young trainee who performs basic deck department tasks. Usually we address a deck boy by name. So Mark, are you ready for chipping and painting? So guys, these are the ranks in the deck department. In the next video, we will review the ranks in the engine department. If you have anything to add regarding how you address your colleagues in different ranks, write in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.